Traffic times, this place must be madness.
But at least it's not a.
Have to go. Yeah. On this right,
In 150 meters, swipe right onto Martindale Bridge.
it is called Martindale Bridge. There is oncoming traffic, so keep left a little.
Take the next right onto Martindale Bridge.
Right, onto Martindale.
Continue for 12 kilometers.
Straight?
Yeah.
Are we getting out of it?
Yeah, we are. We are going to get out of it.
St. Francis Hospital.
Biawar Road. We have to reach Biawar and then go. It's via Biawar to there. We came via Biawar also.
Okay, so there's another way to.
Biawar Udaipur, सीधा दिख रहा है. It's okay. The dargah you have to turn right from here. For the dargah. This is the dargah of Muhyiddin Chishti, no? Muhyiddin Chishti or whatever. Muhyiddin Chishti. Muhyiddin Chishti. Muhyiddin Chishti. Bas now you're out of it. Showing you Udaipur Street, Biawar Street. Jodhpur is also street. Mount Abu is also. Selfies.
It's such a stupidity. When we were there yesterday after evening, I saw this guy with a drone